welcome back to Journey with me. I'm Crystal, and yeah, let's just jump right into the reason that I'm here today. I'm sure that you see from the title, but your girl got a sew-in. Y'all know I have not had a sew-in in 20 years. I got a closure sew-in, so as you can see, it's a glueless closure sew-in. No glue, no hairspray, nothing used. I went to a stylist here in Houston. Her name is Erica. I'll link all of her information below. She was absolutely amazing. She could tell that I was, kind of scared and nervous. I didn't know what to ask for. I didn't know, I had some inspiration pictures, but at the end of the day, she listened to me, and the outcome, I believe, is just absolutely gorgeous. This is Yummy Extension Hair. This is the 14-inch hair. I got 3 bundles, and I got one of their brown transparent, the brown color lace closure from them as well. They also just had a Black Friday sale, so I did go ahead and get some more hair because I do plan on wearing a sew-in for about a year just to help my hair grow back, because as y'all know, I did go ahead and cut some of my hair off. I cut maybe about 5 to 7 inches of my hair off, and then I regretted it immediately after. So the sew-in for me is a protective style to help me get some length back onto my hair, and I'll be able to kind of go back into my natural state of wearing my wash and goes and my twist outs like I normally like to wear. But yeah, so this is a 14-inch hair. Just enough for me to maintain. I could not have done 20, 26, 30. My hat goes off to you ladies who can do the long hair. I just can't do it. And for me, with my job and, having 3 kids, I think that this will be a perfect length that I'll be able to maintain and keep up on by myself. And as far as maintaining it, what I do plan on doing is going to her every 2 to 3 weeks to get it tightened, as well as I already have my appointment set for the next installation, because I always have to make sure that this stays fresh. I don't want the closure slipping back or anything happening to where it starts looking unnatural. Here's my closure. Again, I think that she did an absolutely amazing job. The closure looks very natural. She did bleach my knots. She also plucked the closure. You'll see some footage of that if you haven't already. But I think that she did, again, a really good job. I'm very happy with the outcome. And the hair itself is so thick. Like literally the bundles were thick from the weft all the way to the end of the hair. It didn't thin out at all. And this is right at 2.5 bundles. She did double up on the bundles because I did let her know that I wanted my hair to be thick. I wanted it to be have a lot of volume in it, and she did just that. She delivered exactly what I wanted. So let me know what you all think. Let me show you, or try to show you, what it looks like from the back. So far I haven't had any type of shedding or anything with the hair, but it has only been in my head for 1 day, so I would imagine that shedding would not be an issue right now. Y'all see me? I think I'm cute. So let me know what you think. Do you like it? Does it looks weird on me right now, but I think, I'll get used to it. My husband, he's already used to it, and the kids said that they liked my hair. So that's all that matters to me. But let me know your thoughts. If you've used Yummy hair extensions before, comment how you liked it. This is the Cambodian natural wave. I'll definitely keep a update for you all on how the hair is behaving itself, so that if you're interested in buying some Yummy hair extensions, you can do so. And then just so y'all know too, I did some Lashify extensions on myself. I think they came out really good. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe to the video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.